I think therapy is vital, but I'll say that with this. I don't think that therapy, if you're a real drug addict, I'm just going to say drug addict because that's what I am. If you're a real drug addict, I don't think therapy is going to get you sober. It might help you see some things that you can then use the 12-step program to work on. And it might even help you sustain your sobriety once you're sober. But I don't think that it's going to get you clean. I don't think it's going to get you sober because, and I think that's why the recovery world has such a low amount of turn rate in terms of people getting sober and then sustaining their sobriety, is because a lot of these places take insurance. When you take insurance, you have to come at it from a therapeutic approach. So these places, I'm not going to name any names, but that come at it like, what happened when you were a kid that caused you to use drugs? What happened, your parents beat you or you raped or molested or whatever. And I'm not going to say that those things don't make you use drugs or don't make you continue doing drugs. But there's a much deeper issue that's spiritual. That if you're the real deal like me, you have to work on that before you can work on the therapeutic stuff. Again, therapy is great, but there's a whole nother dynamic in this illness that you have to work on, in my opinion, before you start worrying about whether therapy is going to help you or not. My experience, I went to all these therapy type centers. I always relapsed. And it wasn't until I started working the 12 steps while doing therapy at the same time and realizing that the therapy was just helping me get more honest in my 12 steps. That's when my life changed.